What's going on, everybody? Thanks for clicking on the clip. Welcome to the channel. We got Dade City Motocross, September 30th, 2023. Got quads rolling out. Get a quick little roll through with them in pre-staging. Everybody waiting to line up at the gate for the gate drop. This video is going to mainly be dirt bikes, dirt bike laps. We got finish line table jumps, a couple of good booter shots, some good wrecks, some really amazing racing. The track was set up for these guys to fly this weekend. Dirt bikes were hitting triples like they were nothing. Even the kids on the 65 were just mind-blowing off these jumps. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please turn around and hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on future content. Go ahead, flip through the channel and check out some of the old content. We got ride videos, race videos, build videos. What in the apps? Oh God, that had to hurt. Yeah, good crashes in this video. So make sure you stay tuned through the most of it or all of it so that you don't miss out on some good shots. Anyways, back to educational how-tos, all kinds of neat stuff on this channel. We specialize in quads and trike builds, custom builds, dirt bike conversions into three-wheelers. Go ahead, reach down, hit that like button. Really appreciate the likes, really helps the video go places. Watch time is also a big thing. The longer you watch it, the less you click through it, the better the video does for the masses. Keep getting people asking, how do your videos not go out to people? Well, not a lot of people interacting with the videos, and apparently my thumbnails aren't catchy enough. So we need interactions, we need comments, likes. Get a case of Get Her Done. See if we can get these videos out to more than a couple hundred people. I'm gonna get off here and let you guys listen to these motors rip on through. Really appreciate the fact that you guys have made it to this far in the video. Almost over. Watch time is key. You guys have made it this far. I really appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. It helps the videos out so much, and it helps the channel grow. Trying to grow. I mean, that's why we start these channels, so that we can grow them to a good audience. If people enjoy these videos, we make more of them. So, thank you to all of you guys that have made it this far in the video. Reach down, throw a comment down there in there, and help this video go out as far as we can possibly go.
Still got up here on time until second race.
Yeah, definitely a lot of good competition out here tonight. Starting out, pretty in front at the beginning, and tried to just hold the lead and worked out my favorite.
Awesome. Well, who do you want to thank for getting you up here?
Thank Randy Sawyer, Sawyer's Husky Speed, AOT Racing. I want to thank Chicken Chasing Reynolds, paying my gate fees, and Motorcycle Enthusiasts.
All right, good job, Grano, with your win in the Club 450 class. We're going to